Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to explain second video of class 8 rational number R.D. Sharma. Okay, so rational number R.D. Sharma. Class 8. Properties of rational number. Multiplication properties of rational number. Properties of addition of rational number. Properties of addition of rational number. Properties of addition of rational number. So first property, suppose that we have to take one rational number 2 and second one 3. We will get 5. We will get 5. So 2 is also rational number, 3 is also rational number, q1 q2, then 5 is also rational number. So you can say that the sum of any two rational numbers is always a rational number. This is the first property of the addition of rational number. So this property we can say that closure property. This property is called closure property because if according to the closure property, sum of any two rational numbers is always a rational number. So first property is there, closure property. First, CLOSURE, closure property. According to this property, the sum of any two rational numbers is always rational number. Always rational number. Always rational number. For example, let A by B and C by D be two rational numbers. Rational numbers A by B and C by D. This is written in A by B and C by D means what? Rational number in the form of P by Q. In the form of P by Q. And P and Q both are integers and Q not equal to 0. So here you can see that A and B both are integers where B not equal to 0. कोई प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहता है, यदि किसी भी टू रेशनल नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं तो क्या होगा, रेशनल नंबर भी होगा. ऐड कर सकते हैं A बाई बी प्लस C बाई डी इज इक्वल टू रेशनल नंबर. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. कोई आपसे पूछता है A by B plus C by D is equal to rational number. By which property? So we'll tell that by the closure property. By the closure property, The sum of any two rational numbers is always a rational number. I'm going to take an example. Let Q1 is equal to 2 upon 3 and Q2 is equal to 4 upon 5. So Q1 plus Q2 is equal to 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. We can take the LCM 3 and 5, 15. 3 5 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12. So here we can write 10 plus 12, 22 upon 15. This cancel this, not cancel not. Here my answer is that 22 upon 15. Okay, this is also a rational number. This example is, this property is exactly correct because according to this property, sum of n two rational numbers is always rational number. अब ऐसे मैंने क्या किया, Q1 Q2 दो एग्जाम्पल ले लिया एक नंबर के फॉर्म में, उसको मैंने सॉल्व किया तो क्या आया 22 अपॉन 15. सो ये जो हमारा एग्जाम्पल है ये बिल्कुल श्योर कर रहा है जो हमारा प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट है इन एडिशन ऑफ द रेशनल नंबर. नेक्स्ट, here you can see that 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, both are same thing, 2 3 5 3 2 5. हम लोग कभी कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाते थे कि 2 plus 3 करेक्ट है या 3 plus 2 करेक्ट है, बट बोथ आर करेक्ट. Why? Because if you will add 2 plus 3 always come 5, will get 3 plus 2 always come 5. Suppose that I have two numbers and then we obtain 3 more. So 2 3 4 5. Okay, 2 3 4 5. Now I have three numbers and then 1 2 5. So in both the conditions we are getting the 5. So we'll add 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, both are same thing. So this property is called the commutative property. So next property is that second property, COMMUTATIV, commutative property. Commutative property. If A by B and C by D be any two rational numbers, then A by B plus C by D is equal to C by D plus A by B. This is commutative property. Means what? You are changing the order. So this property, right or wrong, we have to going to solve with the example of in the form of number. Let A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. I am putting the value of A, B, C and D. The value of A is 2, the value of B is 3, value of C is 4, value of D is 5. Again, value of C is 4, value of D is 5 and plus the value of A is 2, the value of B is 3. Now I am adding both sides. The LCM of 3 and 5, 15. 3 5 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12. Again the LCM 5 and 3, 15. 5 3 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. Now you can see that 10 plus 12, 22 upon 15, 12 plus 10, 22 upon 15. Now, see the answer. Exactly correct. It means what? ये हमारा रूल क्या हो गया? वेरीफाई हो गया. प्रॉपर्टी क्या हो गया? वेरीफाई होगा. वेरीफाई कैसे करेंगे? हम ए बी सी डी का वैल्यू पुट कर लेंगे और पुट करने के बाद देखेंगे, इसको एडिशन करेंगे बोथ साइड में ऑर्डर को चेंज करके. तो मैंने देखा कि बोथ साइड में क्या हुआ, आंसर सेम आया. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इट मीन्स व्हाट? द प्रॉपर्टी व्हाट एवर आई टॉट दैट द प्रॉपर्टी दिस इज करेक्ट. Okay, now third property is that associative property. Which property? Associative I am going to solve. In associative, you have to take a three rational number like 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, now I am adding. First I will take 1 by 2, 2 upon 3 inside the one bracket, and then 3 by 4. Again 1 by 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. So see here, if I add in the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4 plus 3 upon 4. Here is 1 by 2. LCM 3 and 4, 12. 3 4 is 12, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 3 3 is 9. You can see here 3 4 7 upon 6 plus 3 upon 4, 1 by 2 plus 17 upon 12. LCM is that 6 and 4, 12 is there. 6 2 is 12, 2 7 is 14, 4 3 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 2 12. LCM 2 and 12, 12, 2 6 is 12, 6 1 is 6, cancel 17, 14 and 9 23 upon 12. Here is 23 upon 12. See, answer is same is coming. Means if we are changing the order of the number, rational number in any order, we are getting the same number. It means what? It means rational number follow the associative property also. So associative property में कम से कम प्रॉपर्टी में हमारे 3 रेशनल नंबर्स आते हैं, और उसको यदि हम उस नंबर को अरेंज करके हम कैसे भी ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? सेम आना चाहिए. यदि आंसर हमारा क्या होगा? सेम होगा, तो प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगा? आपका करेक्ट होगा. तो सो कम टू द पॉइंट, आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दिस प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी. Third, if A by B, C by D and E by F be any 3 rational number, rational numbers, then A by B plus C by D bracket plus E by F and is equal to A by B is equal to C upon D plus E by F. B ब्रैकेट में हमारा जाएगा. ओके, नाउ सो दिस प्रॉपर्टी क्या होगा? फॉलो होगा एसोसिएटिव में. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? यदि हम किसी भी रेशनल नंबर के ऑर्डर को चेंज कर दें, एक ग्रुप में 2 रख दें और उस 2 ग्रुप को सबसे पहले ऐड कर दें, और ऐड करने के बाद जो हमारा थर्ड रेशनल नंबर उसमें ऐड करते हैं, तो उसका आंसर, और फिर लास्ट वाले 2 रेशनल नंबर को ऐड कर दें और उसको फर्स्ट वाले से क्या कर देंगे? प्लस कर देंगे. यदि आंसर सेम आता है, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि ये एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी को फॉलो करता है, अदरवाइज करेगा नहीं. तो सी हियर, अब टेक द एग्जांपल, लेट A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4 and E is equal to 5. So we can write A is equal to 1 means 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 4 inside the bracket plus E by F. The value of E is given 5. The value of F I am taking 3. You can take 6 also, no problem. F 6. Again, here you can write A by B 1 upon 2 plus C by A. Sorry, C by D. The value of C by D 3 upon 4 and plus E by F 5 upon 6. I am adding the LCM and 2 and 4 given 8. 2 4 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. LCM 4 and 2, 4 2 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6 plus 5 by 6. 1 by 2, LCM 4 and 6, 12 given. 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. 6 2 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10. Here we can add 6 4, 10 upon 18 plus 5 upon 6. 1 by 2 plus 9 10, 19 upon 12. Done. So LCM 8 and 6, 24. 8 3 ja 24, 3 10 ja 30. 6 4 ja 24, 4 5 ja 20. LCM here we can write LCM 2 and 4 is 4. 2 and 4 is 4. So here we can add 2 to ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. And again here is 1. 4 can say 2 1 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. And here 1 by 2 plus 19 upon 12. Now LCM of 4 and 6, 12. 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. 6 2 ja 12, 5 2 ja 10. LCM 2 and 12, 12. 2 6 ja 12, 6 1 ja 6. This is 9. So here we can write 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Done. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. 4 and 6 12. 4 3 3 9 and 6 10 हो गया. Again the LCM 2 and 12, 12. 6 plus 19, 25. 4 3 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. 19. Here is something is wrong is there. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. C is equal to 3, D is equal to 4. Okay. Plus E is equal to 5 and F is equal to 6. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. 1 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So LCM of 2 and 4, 4. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. Plus 3. And plus 5 upon 6. Again 1 by 2, LCM 4 and 6. 12. 4 3 12, 3 3 ja 9. 6 12, 5 2 ja 10. So here we can write 2 3 5 upon 4 plus 5 upon 6. Done. Here is 1 by 2 plus 19 upon 12. LCM 6 and 4 12. 4 3 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. 6 2 ja 12, 2 5 ja 10. Here is 12 LCM 2 6 ja 12, 6 1 ja 6. This and then 12 12 cancel 19. Here we can get 15 plus 10, 25 upon 12, 25 upon 12. See, the answer is correct. It means what? This rule is also correct. So you have to verify that this property is correct or not for the Reschel number. So you can take the number and add according to this the process. If our answer is correct, then it means what? the property is correct. Okay, now there is only three property of addition of the rational number. Now next property I am going to solve tomorrow, and we will solve some questions on the property of this. Okay, good night. Thank you.